In this video, I will guide you on how to recover deleted photos from Google Files Save folder. First, launch open the Google Files app on your device. Now, you want to tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, find the option of Settings. Now, scroll down and find the option of Show Hidden Files. Toggle this option on. Now, head over to your main screen. Here, find the option of Save folder and select that. Now enter your PIN to access it. Once you're inside, check if your photos are still available in the Save folder. If you don't find them there, then you want to tap on the menu icon again. Now tap on the bin option. Select the photo that you want to restore, then tap on the restore option at the bottom of your screen. The selected photos will be restored to their original location. Keep in mind that if the photos have been permanently deleted from the bin or trash option, they cannot be recovered through the Files by Google app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.